Hello everyone, my name is Naria and today we will hold a Let's Do It challenge. The goal will be complete the task that you get. If participant doesn't complete the task, we will... So let's go! Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
Sitting in the street. I don't know.
Let's play the game.
What kind of game?
You should choose a number and read it.
Do 10 squat saying quack quack.
Quack quack.
Quack quack.
Louder, please.
Oh, okay, quack quack. It's loud enough? I don't know.
Yes.
Quack quack. That's all.
Huh. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's play the game. Okay. You should choose the number and read it. Choose the number. Take it. And read.
Hug 5 people. Hug 5 people. You should do that. Hug 5 people. Hi. Thank you. 1. So. Can I hug you? Can I hug you? Yes.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I'm playing a game. Thank you. Okay. So, cool. High five. Bye.
Add 3 posts to your story on Instagram from @ResearchSchool2019.
Thank you. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Stop.
Нет, мы спешим, нам надо в медпункт.
It's so serious. Drink the water without...
Oh! How can I do that?
She has to drink the water without hands.
Ладно. Окей.
She drank water without hands.
Well, I'm kind of flexible, so... Okay.
Sing with Сурдян елочка. В лесу родилась елочка, в лесу она росла, зимой и летой стройная, веселая была.
High five. Jump on one leg to the flag and back.嗰度，拉兩條腿翻嚟，咁樣，跟住咁樣翻嚟 ，like this, right? Okay. High five. Thank you.
Take a selfie with 5 strangers.
Let me take a selfie.
You done it.
Yeah.
This one person on the chat.
What?
2 hours later. 3 hours later. 2 days later.
I understand, but I don't know. Sorry.
You don't complete it?
I can don't remember. Okay.
So I have a surprise for you.
Okay. What's the answer?
It's like a gift.
Okay.
It's his choice.
It's my choice.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Around me are familiar faces.
Give a compliment to 5 people with different intonation and voice.
Oh, it's so funny.
Okay. Hey, you have very beautiful eyes. Hey, Clara, I like your t-shirt.
Yes.
It's thank you. Hey, Didi, I like your smile so much. Same. Hey, Vara, you are so quick. You are so beauty.
Thank you.
High five.
Do 10 push-ups telling any kind of joke you know. Yeah, here. Right, I'll do it. So, 10 push-ups. And the joke is about Kolobok. Kolobok, once he was walking around the street and then he hanged himself to death.
I tried. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Let's play the game.
No.
Why?
Если вас попали, вы садитесь
Because
на колени. Садитесь.
I have a gift for you.
Площадка вся. Волейбольная площадка, наверное.
thank you very much.
Draw something by pen in your mouth.
Так,
It's kind of hard to do that.
What is it?
I guess it's just a face of some person, and if it's just anything random. Okay. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sing my favorite song.
Sing your favorite song.
My favorite song.
Ребята, очень-очень интересная игра. Вы не пожалеете.
Have a beautiful voice, you know?
I don't know.
Well, our challenge was successful and I think we should to continue. Goodbye!